We're back. Today we're with the sedan and we are getting it ready for the new owner, and it is heading back to California. We actually saw the car a few years ago in California. My wife and I loved it because all the patina look, and we actually bought it to use it for baseball games, to throw the chairs in, and we've actually done some of that. We've had a lot of work done on it through Low Man Rods in Tip City, Ohio to Steadfast Hot Rods. They've really dialed the car in. But today it is time for a wheel swap. We're putting these wheels on the Roadster and the black Steelies on this one for the new owner and getting it ready. Let's get started. We're gonna swap the wheels out, getting it ready for you, the new owner coming back to California.
What's our plan?
Well, since you can't get a jack stand underneath this drop axle, we're gonna put one of the American Rebels on the front, take off wheels, and just use 3 different sets of fronts until we get it off. Do one side at a time.
Now, whose idea was that, Kenny?
Thank you for asking, Kyle. It was actually your idea because you're the smart one in the bunch.
I'm the most mechanically inclined.
I don't know about that, but neither of us are necessarily mechanics. We're probably more motivational and production oriented, so why do you think we take our cars to other people to do work, right?
Because we don't have the time.
That's why. We actually are master mechanics. Don't let anybody fool you. We just don't like to do it. We just don't have the time.
We like to keep injecting capital into the system.
Yeah. If anyone would like to donate their time as a free mechanic, we'll gladly accept that. Ta-da! The car is ready to go to California. Ready to get on a trailer. Hopefully later this week it'll get with a shipper and hopefully get it all done. On to the next thing. So we'll have an empty spot up here for something else, and maybe we're gonna buy a truck. Again, send us what square body or C10 that you have, maybe patina, but it has to sit right wheels, mechanically sound. We just don't care if it has chips and nicks. We're looking for a cool truck to buy. Well, today is the day and the sedan is leaving. So, heading to California. Congrats to the new owner. And it is heading into this trailer. So let's take a look inside and see what we have. So they're doing an inspection now. He's checking it all out, getting all the photos, inside, outside, make sure everything is okay before they load it up and send it on its way. So bittersweet, but all good things must come to an end. It's time to go to the next one with the 5 window.